In this video, I'm gonna be walking through can we change text to speech voice on TikTok? Follow me. Go ahead and launch your TikTok app and tap on this plus icon at the bottom. And now let's capture a dummy video. And now let's add a text. So I'm gonna tapping on this AA at the top right. And let's add here a text. And now to convert these text to speech, tap on the text and tap on text to speech. Dummy video.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
So here we can see text to speech voice has been added to this text. And now the question is, can we change text to speech voice? Now if I again tap on this text, now I can edit this text by tapping on edit. But if I tap on this text, I can change set duration for the text. Again tapping on this text and tapping on text to speech. As you can see, unfortunately, here is no option to change text to speech voice on TikTok. If you're trying to change TikTok text to speech voice, then you have to stop searching on YouTube because you won't get any exact solution because TikTok doesn't provide this feature to change text to speech voice on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.